It's right there. Here. Let me just smile.
Sounds good. Good job. All right, go on the side. I'll get your picture. All right, here goes Abby. Cool girl in shades. No, Anya, don't chew on my shoe. That's yucky. All right, she's at the top. Now, how do you go down? Yay! Good job. And Anya has crawled all the way over here. Come on. Come up the little mountain. You can do it. Come on. You looking for your feet? They're down there somewhere, aren't they? Bye! She disappeared down those stairs. There's nowhere she can go. We're all surrounded by this apartment building. All the way to over there. Come on! Come on, is it hard to climb up the hill?